Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In today's video, we'll see how to crochet a very simple and beautiful scarf. It is very easy and it's suitable for a beginner. The scarf is 11 inches wide after blocking and I made it 76 inches long. You can adjust the length. The return pattern for this scarf is available in my blog, thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. I used this yarn called Hobby India. It is a category 1 yarn. I used about 1.5 balls. So one ball is 400 meters. So you will need around 600 meters of category 1 yarn. Along with it, I used a 4 crochet hook. Make a slip knot first. For this stitch, you will need to make chains in multiples of 6 plus 4. So I made 90 plus 4, 94 chains. I've made the 94 chains. Now we'll start the first row. Skip 3 chains from the hook and work a double crochet in the 4th chain. Then chain 5. Skip 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then work 3 double crochets in the next chain. Chain 5, skip 5 chains and then work 3 double crochet in the next chain. This will be repeated across. Chain 5, skip 5 chains, 3 double crochet in the next chain. You'll finish the row with 2 double crochets in the last chain. Chain 6 and turn. This is the second row. Now work a double crochet in the chain 5 space. Then 3 chains and then work a double crochet in the second double crochet. Again 3 chains, double crochet in the chain 5 space, 3 chains, double crochet in the second stitch. So this will be repeated across 3 chains, double crochet in chain 5 space, followed by 3 chains and double crochet in the second stitch. You'll finish this row with double crochet worked in the last stitch. Let's start the next row. This is row 3, chain 6. Work 3 double crochets in the next double crochet. Then chain 5. Skip the next double crochet and work 3 double crochets in the next double crochet. chain 5, skip the next stitch and work 3 double crochets in the next stitch. This will be repeated across. At the end of the row, after the last 3 double crochets, work 2 chains and then a treble in the last space. To work a treble, yarn over twice, insert hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops 2 times. Then start the next row with chain 6, turn and work double crochet in the second stitch. Then chain 3, double crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 3, double crochet in the second stitch, repeat across, chain 3, double crochet in chain 5 space, chain 3, double crochet in the second stitch. Finish the row with double crochet in the last space. Next is row 5. Start with 3 chains and then work a double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 5, skip next double crochet and work 3 double crochets in the next stitch. Then chain 5, skip the next stitch and then work 3 double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this across. Chain 5, skip the next double crochet and work 3 double crochets in the next stitch. You'll finish this row with 2 double crochets worked into the last space. That's it. You will repeat rows 2 to 5 as many times as you want. I used about 1.5 balls of yarn. So one ball is equivalent to about 400 meters and I got a scarf of about 75 inches after blocking.